Welcome back to the channel. Today it's the 2025 230i, the G42 chassis, finished in Brooklyn Gray, which means you are required to get the M Sport package. So if you want Brooklyn Gray or Portsmouth Blue on your G42 230i or X-Drive version, you have to get the M Sport package. So it's not paint and you're done. So there is also what appears to be a factory mistake on this vehicle. We'll discuss that momentarily. So we can see we have the premium package because we have the full LED headlights. So daytime running light is that full thing here rather than like a little slit right there. We also have the cornering light there, which means we have the M Sport Pro package. You can see shadowline lights as well. Now the grille is where the mistake I think is made. So the M Sport Pro package should get you the blacked out kitted grille, but you can see this is the grille from the base 230i without the M Sport Pro package. It's a little interesting on that one, so I don't know what went on there. And you can see parking assistance camera there in the middle of the two grills. Take a step back. Let's make our way to the side here, where we got the style 995M wheels. They are bicolor and they are quite on the busy side in terms of design. I think it looks overall pretty good wheel design. We also have the red M Sport calipers, part of that M Sport Professional package. Here's that side view of Brooklyn Gray, out of direct sunlight. Make our way to the back, where you can see we have a gurney flap in high gloss black. We also got 230i badging in chrome. Then our diffuser in high gloss black. And then we've also got the dual exhaust with black chrome tips. There's that 3/4 view of the G42 in direct sunlight. More of that side profile, which I think is probably the best angle on the new G42. I say new, but it's a few years old. We've also got a hump there on the hood line. So letting you know this one's got a lot of power in its 4-cylinder engine. All right, let's make our way inside, go over pricing and options on this G42. And that single headlight design making its way across the lineup. So Z4's got it, the new X3, and of course here the 2 Series. Going back to the days of the 2002. So opening up, we have the Tacora red perforated Sensatec. I think the best combination you can get with Brooklyn Gray. So door card. There's little triangles here in hard plastic, upper portion of the door card. You have the Sensatec here. More hard plastic down below. And move into our standard seats in Tacora red perforated Sensatec. A no cost option, but I think pretty well bolstered. And of course with Sensatec you don't get a side bolster adjustment. A lumbar support is an option, and a manually powered crumb catcher here. And then we've got M badging here on the door sill. All right, so in front of me, your M Sport steering wheel, a flat bottom steering wheel now. So we got M badging. Controls over here for your dumb cruise control. This one does not have the active cruise control. Got shift paddles. And in front of me, iDrive 8.5 in sport mode. Heads up display. And the rest of the curved display here in iDrive 8.5. Trim here is the fine line light open pore fine wood trim. So it's a lot to say, but open pore means you got some feel to the wood here, if it even is wood. And we got our new vent controls, part of that LCI for the 2 Series. Then more of that trim here in the center console, where we have their start-stop button, drive selector nub, and iDrive controller. All right, starting price, the 2025 230i is $39,600. Brooklyn Gray Metallic adds another $650. Again, Brooklyn Gray Metallic requires M Sport package, which we'll talk about momentarily. And Tacora red perforated Sensatec, obviously included in the price of the car. M Sport package for another $33.50. The fine line light open pore fine wood trim is another $200. There's 19-inch wheels. It comes standard with 18-inch wheels for another $900. Those 19-inch wheels add another $600, so it comes standard with 18-inch wheels. M Sport Pro for another $850. Parking assistance pack for $700. Premium package for $1,800. Lumbar support for $350. And we got luggage compartment mats, wheel locks, all our floor mats, folding cover caps, and first aid kit. All told, MSRP of this particular example, just a little bit under $50,000. All right, so getting into the back seat, there's a lever on the back of each of the front seats, allowing you access to the rear passenger compartment where you can fit 2 more people with seat belts. There's no third seat option here without a seat belt, I should say. All right, and here's a view of the cockpit from the back seat. You have our moonroof shade open, then out back. So just vent controls now. So gone is the climate control zone, and there's no USB-C charging ports either. Knee room, leg room, I'd say it's okay, but the issue can be headroom in the back of the 2 Series Coupe. And I'm about 5'11", and I have to stoop down a little bit to fit in the back here. It will be very uncomfortable for a long haul. All right, move to the back here. And then we do not have kick to open on the 2 Series Coupe. And here is the cargo area with that luggage compartment mat. Also fold down those rear seats for even more room. And no powered tailgate either, so you have to close it the old-fashioned way. All right, so we're gonna make our way to the front, pop the hood, and see what lies beneath that hood bulge. All right, so underneath the hood here is the V48 inline-4 2-liter turbo engine, 255 horsepower and 295 torques. So plenty of power for most uses. And this car can be super efficient as well. We've done 40 plus miles per gallon a few times on this car. But that's it for a quick look at another 230i. We'll see you in the next video.